Before we start the workflow, let's quickly break down what Seedance 2.5 brings to AI video creation. According to the promo video, the first major upgrade is native 30-second single-segment video generation. This means creators can generate longer AI videos directly instead of relying on multiple short clips and stitching everything together afterward. For storytelling, this is a big deal. Longer video generation helps scenes feel more complete, with smoother pacing, more coherent motion, and better narrative flow. The second major upgrade is support for up to 50 full modal reference assets. This gives creators much more control over the final result by using different types of references, such as characters, scenes, visual styles, and other creative assets. For complex projects like short dramas, this can significantly improve consistency across characters, locations, and story details. The third major highlight is more controllable video generation and editing. Instead of treating AI video as a one-time output, Seedance 2.5 moves toward a more flexible and editable workflow. Creators can make targeted adjustments, refine specific parts of a video, and maintain overall visual consistency while improving the final output. Overall, Seedance 2.5 looks like a major step toward creating longer, more controllable, and more production-ready AI videos. Now let's jump into a practical CapCut PC workflow and see how we can recreate and expand short drama scenes using GPT Image 2 and Seedance 2.0. This entire drama was created inside CapCut PC using just one screenshot as a reference. I was scrolling through TikTok when I came across this popular short drama, and I decided to recreate it using AI. Starting with just a single screenshot, I recreated my own cinematic short drama using GPT Image 2 and Seedance 2.0, all inside CapCut PC. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can recreate a short drama in just a few clicks. So make sure you watch until the end, and without wasting any more time, let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Pro Secret. So first of all, click the link in the description. After that, it will bring you here. First, download CapCut PC on your Mac or Windows device, then open it. You'll see an interface like this. As you can see, CapCut offers a lot of AI features, so you don't need to switch between multiple tabs or pay for multiple subscriptions. You get everything in one place. Today, I'm generating AI videos, so I'll click on AI video. As you can see, it mentions that image to video with Seedance 2.0 is free, so you can use it without spending a single penny. There are other features available as well, including omni-reference, text to video, and multi-frame generation. If you are a content creator, CapCut is more than enough for most of your needs. First of all, I'm going to create character images, so select image mode from creation mode, then choose the image model GPT Image 2. Next, I pasted my prompt, which you'll find in my Discord server. Then, I selected the image resolution. I highly recommend choosing 4K because it delivers much better quality, and it's currently free for a limited time. After that, I enabled high quality, selected the aspect ratio based on my project, and finally clicked generate. Within a few moments, CapCut started generating the scene images, and here are the results. As you can see, the output is incredibly high quality, with realistic lighting, cinematic composition, and impressive details. So, our character sheet is ready. Now let's recreate this drama scene using the character we just created. I made the character look as close as possible to the original one. First, I'll take a screenshot of the original drama scene and use it as a reference. Then I'll upload my character sheet, add a very simple prompt, keep the rest of the settings the same, and click generate. And here's the result. As you can see, our character is standing in a very similar location, wearing a similar outfit, with almost the same overall scene and composition. It honestly looks like this image was captured during the filming of the original drama. So, we'll use this image as first scene. Now, let's generate the second scene. This time, I'm also adding the first scene image as a reference. This is a great trick because it helps maintain scene-to-scene consistency, ensuring the character, lighting, and overall visual style remain coherent throughout the story. Next, I paste my prompt, keep the settings the same, and click Generate. And here is the result. Once again, the output is fantastic. The AI has maintained my character's appearance while naturally continuing the story from the previous scene. The composition, lighting, facial details, and cinematic atmosphere all remain consistent, making it feel like a real movie instead of a collection of separate AI-generated images. This level of consistency is exactly what you need for creating professional quality AI short dramas. Using the same process, I generated all of the remaining scene images inside CapCut PC. As you can see, every scene closely follows the prompts I provided while maintaining excellent character and visual consistency throughout the entire story. The quality is impressive, with cinematic lighting, detailed backgrounds, and realistic facial expressions in every frame. This makes the entire sequence feel like a professionally produced film rather than a collection of separate AI-generated images. Once all the scene images are ready, we are ready to bring them to life with AI video generation. Open the AI video section inside CapCut PC. At the time of recording this video, the image-to-video feature is free for CapCut Pro subscribers, allowing you to generate AI videos without using additional credits during this limited-time offer. Here, in the video model section, you'll find Seedance 2.0 4K, Seedance 2.0 Mini, and Seedance 2.0 Fast. I'm using Seedance 2.0 because it delivers a high level of realism with stunning 4K quality video generation. Then, I add the first scene image and character images as references, paste my prompt, select the Seedance 2.0 model, choose the resolution and 15-second duration, set the aspect ratio, and click Generate. After a few moments, the video is ready, and here is the result.
No, this can't be happening.
The result is absolutely amazing. The realism is outstanding, the character consistency is maintained perfectly, and the facial details remain accurate throughout the entire clip. The lighting, camera movement, and cinematic quality make it feel like a professionally filmed scene rather than an AI-generated video. Now, let's generate the second scene. I simply replace the first scene image with the second scene image, paste the new prompt, keep the rest of the settings exactly the same, and click Generate. After a few moments, the video is ready, and here is the result. The result is incredible. It looks far more realistic than I expected. So using the steps I generated all remaining videos. Now let's bring everything into the CapCut timeline. This is where CapCut PC's multi-track editing becomes incredibly powerful. Now you can start enhancing your videos by adding transitions, captions and text animations, sound effects, background music, layer effects and overlays. And here's the result.
No, this can't be happening. Someone, help me. It's real. You came back for me.
And that's the complete end-to-end AI filmmaking workflow inside a single platform. Create cinematic images with GPT Image 2, animate everything using Seedance 2.0, and polish every scene with CapCut PC's professional editing tools. What I like most is that CapCut lets you create more content without significantly increasing your budget. You get premium quality results, faster generation, lower credit usage, and a complete AI filmmaking workflow, all in one place. Plus, CapCut users can already access Seedance 2.5 early access, with the full rollout expected in early July. If you are serious about AI filmmaking, cinematic storytelling, or creating AI short dramas, now is the perfect time to start building your workflow with CapCut PC. Use my link in the description below to try CapCut PC. Make sure you check it out, and if you need any help, let me know in the comments or reach out on our Discord server, where you can get all my used prompts, tutorials in one place, and lots of AI strategies. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.